Hi, I'm Rosie and welcome to the Reigate store. One of the oldest and most successful names in British hi-fi is back with a modern twist on a legendary piece of kit that kick-started it all. Why don't you follow me up to the demo room where we can say hello to the Cyrus ONE amplifier. Here with me today I have the new and improved Cyrus ONE amplifier. Back in 1985, Cyrus produced their first ever product, which was the original Cyrus ONE. That unit will have been one of the first proper stereo amplifiers that many of our customers will have purchased. And it was popular among newcomers as well as seasoned enthusiasts. Making an obvious but welcome return is the half-size shoebox casework that Cyrus have continued to implement throughout most of their units produced. With the two large dials and the clean lines, it's giving off not only a modern but real retro look, both at the same time. However, don't let its size fool you, because this thing is a mini powerhouse, packing in a Class D amplifier and outputting 100 watts per channel. This amp matches up to even some of the most demanding of speakers. Cyrus have ensured that the One isn't lacking in the connectivity department either. With 4 line levels on board, it's giving easy access to most traditional hi-fi products. Given the popularity of vinyls these days, it is greatly welcome for an amplifier of this size to include a top-notch moving magnet phono preamp, making the connectivity of turntables a breeze. If you're looking for a more modern format to work with, then Cyrus have included Bluetooth with aptX capability, meaning that any compatible devices can get near CD quality simply from streaming from your device straight to the One. You can easily plug in a pair of headphones via the 1/4" jack socket located at the front. It has a dedicated headphone amplifier running at Class AB. With a high power output, you can connect a wide range of headphones. Something that was definitely not included in the original design is the One's ability to be controlled via the iOS or Android-based app. Not only can you use the standard controller it comes with, but now you can download this easy-to-use application and you can have full access right there in your hands via your mobile device or even a tablet. To sum up, Cyrus's return to the roots are both nostalgic and forward-thinking. Not only does this amplifier sound fantastic, but it's also easy to use and aesthetically pleasing on the eyes. It is an exceptional modernisation upon the original Cyrus ONE amplifier, so that is why I strongly suggest that you get down to your local Richer Sound store to have a listen as soon as possible. If you're not sure where that store is, then please click here to find out. Otherwise, if you haven't already, please subscribe here and also like and share with all your friends and family down here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week and we'll see you at our local store soon.